Quiz 1. Prokaryotes, Eukaryotes, Levels of Organization. Question 1. Hepatocytes are the main type of cells in the liver. Hepatocytes combine to form the next, more complex level of organization called A. An organ, B. A tissue, C. An organism, D. An organ system. Question 2. The roots of a plant help to anchor the plant to the soil and are also used for food storage and water extraction. Roots are made up of tissues such as xylem, phloem, and pith. In which level of organization would the roots of a plant most likely be classified? A. Cell, B. Organ system, C. Tissue, D. Organ. Question 3. The root and shoot system in plants, along with the leaves, work together to form the most complex level of organization, known as A. A cell, B. An organism, C. A tissue, or D. An organ. Question 4. In humans, the heart is an organ that pumps blood through blood vessels. The combination of the heart and blood vessels is classified as A. A tissue, B. An organ, C. An organ system, or D. An organism. Question 5. Provided is a level of organization diagram. Which of the following terms does row Z of the diagram represent? A. Cells, B. Organs, C. Tissues, D. Organ systems. Question 6. Name the levels of organization in the human body in order. A. Tissue, organ, organ system. B. Organ system, tissue, organs, cells. C. Cells, tissue, organs, organ system. D. Cells, organs, tissue, organ system. Question 7. How do bacteria compare with humans? A. Both are unicellular organisms. B. Both are multicellular organisms. C. Only bacteria are multicellular organisms. Or D. Only humans are multicellular organisms. Question 8. An organism can only be seen through a microscope. Which is most likely true of that organism? A. It is a plant. B. It is an animal. C. It is multicellular. D. It is unicellular. Question 9. The tissue level of organization comes A. After cells, B. After organs, C. After cells before organs, D. Both A and C. Question 10. Caden is making a presentation on the levels of organization in plants and animals for his science class. He prepares this flowchart to illustrate his presentation. After further study, Caden realizes his flowchart is incorrect. Which change should he make to correct the flowchart? A. Add the phrase cell membranes. B. Move organ systems to the beginning. C. Remove tissues and cells. Or D. Swap organs and cells. Question 11. Which of the following organisms is considered prokaryotic? A. Organism A. B. Organism B. C. Organisms A, C, and D. D. Organisms B and D. Question 12. Which of the following organisms is considered eukaryotic? A. Organism A. B. Organism B. C. Organisms A, C, and D. D. Organisms B and D. Question 13. Animal cells are considered eukaryotic and bacteria cells prokaryotic. This is because A. Animal cells grow at a much slower rate than bacteria cells. B. The cell membrane on an animal cell is much more rigid. C. Animal cells require energy from outside food sources. Or D. The genetic material of an animal cell is stored in a nucleus. Number 14. Several types of organisms are described in the following table. Which group is the group of prokaryotic organisms? A. Group 1. B. Group 2. C. Group 3. D. Group 4. Number 15. An organism, called euglena, is represented by the diagram. The euglena can be classified as eukaryotic due to the presence of which labeled part? A. Part A, which allows the cell to turn sunlight into food. B. Part B, which allows the cell to move itself from place to place. C. Part C, which is centrally located and stores genetic material. Or D. Part D, which allows the organism to store water. Number 16. A lamp that plugs into a wall socket draws energy which flows through a thin wire in the bulb, causing it to glow. What energy transformations are taking place? A. Chemical to light to electrical. B. Mechanical to sound to light. C. Thermal to solar to electrical. D. Electrical to light to thermal. Question 17. Which of the following best describes the energy transformations that occur when a flashlight that runs on batteries is turned on? A. Chemical to light to electrical. B. Electrical to light to chemical. C. Light to electrical to chemical. D. Chemical, electrical to light. Question 18. The picture shows a light bulb attached to a hand generator. What energy transformation occurs as the handle of the generator is turned? A. Thermal to solar to light. B. Solar to light to electrical. C. Mechanical to electrical to light. D. Electrical to mechanical to light. Question 19. Which device transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy? Question 20. The picture shows a microwave oven. As a microwave oven is operated, electrical energy is transformed into all of the following types of energy except A. Solar, B. Light, C. Thermal, D. Mechanical.